For this week's podcast on English.com, we're talking about AI, artificial intelligence.
Now, for our business level, we talked about robots replacing people in the workplace, particularly factories.
Yes, but remember that robots are hardware, whereas AI is software. It's the technology.
Right.
And it's the robots perform the tasks like in a factory, but AI is a system that makes the decisions. It learns much more like the human mind, and it's already part of our lives.
Okay, Richard, can you give me some examples?
Well, the internet, of course.
Right.
Starting with web search engines. You put in a phrase in Google, and it's AI that decides which websites to recommend. YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, all of these have recommended for you. They suggest items for a particular user based on the information they have on you.
So they've made that decision.
Exactly, yes.
Okay, so what is ChatGPT? It seems to be in the news a lot.
Yes. Well, it's a chatbot with a difference.
Okay, so chatbots?
Yes, well, when you
No,
go...
chatbot, isn't it?
Yes, when you go onto a website and a box appears with the question, "Can I help you?"
Yes.
That's a chatbot.
Because that's not a real person.
It's not a real person. It's an automated chat service. Now, it will respond depending on keywords you use in your question.
Okay, right, got that.
So ChatGPT, put simply, engages in conversational dialogue.
So who would use it and why?
Well, it can answer questions and assist with tasks such as composing emails, essays, translating and writing computer code. If you ask Google how to build a shed, it will just provide an index of suitable websites. But ChatGPT will generate its own response based on the information that it has.
It will give you the instructions on how to build a shed.
Yes.
So it can make mistakes.
Well, it's still in the early stages, isn't it? It was only launched in November 2022.
I'm not sure I would use it.
Yes, but there are already AI programs that I'm sure you would use, specific ones, for example, recipes.
But I already do something like that, Richard. For example, the BBC food website. I'll put in, say, 3 ingredients and they'll give me a list of recipes.
Yes, exactly. They'll just give you a list of recipes which they already have in their database. The difference with the AI recipe generator, the AI bot will make up a new recipe for you using only the ingredients you have listed.
So it can be creative.
Exactly, yes.
Right.
And that's also a problem because it can create paintings, photographs, videos. So the line between real and fake is completely blurred.
So is it a bad thing?
Well, of course, it depends, doesn't it? In the right hands, it is incredibly useful, time-saving, informative, but it's also dangerous in the wrong hands. For this week's podcast on English.com, we're talking about AI, artificial intelligence.
Now, for our business level, we talked about robots replacing people in the workplace, particularly factories.
Yes, but remember that robots are hardware, whereas AI is software. It's the technology.
Right.
And it's the robots perform the tasks like in a factory, but AI is a system that makes the decisions. It learns much more like the human mind, and it's already part of our lives.
Okay, Richard, can you give me some examples?
Well, the internet, of course.
Right.
Starting with web search engines. You put in a phrase in Google, and it's AI that decides which websites to recommend. YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, all of these have recommended for you. They suggest items for a particular user based on the information they have on you.
So they've made that decision.
Exactly, yes.
Okay, so what is ChatGPT? It seems to be in the news a lot.
Yes. Well, it's a chatbot with a difference.
Okay, so chatbots?
Yes, well, when you
No,
go...
chatbot, isn't it?
Yes, when you go onto a website and a box appears with the question, "Can I help you?"
Yes.
That's a chatbot,
Because that's not a real person.
It's not a real person. It's an automated chat service. Now, it will respond depending on keywords you use in your question.
Okay, right, got that.
So, ChatGPT, put simply, engages in conversational dialogue.
So who would use it and why?
Well, it can answer questions and assist with tasks such as composing emails, essays, translating and writing computer code. If you ask Google how to build a shed, it will just provide an index of suitable websites. But ChatGPT will generate its own response based on the information that it has.
It will give you the instructions on how to build a shed.
Yes.
So it can make mistakes.
Well, it's still in the early stages, isn't it? It was only launched in November 2022.
I'm not sure I would use it.
Yes, but there are already AI programs that I'm sure you would use, specific ones, for example, recipes.
But I already do something like that, Richard. For example, the BBC food website. I'll put in, say, 3 ingredients and they'll give me a list of recipes.
Yes, exactly. They'll just give you a list of recipes which they already have in their database. The difference with the AI recipe generator, the AI bot will make up a new recipe for you using only the ingredients you have listed.
So it can be creative.
Exactly, yes.
Right.
And that's also a problem because it can create paintings, photographs, videos. So the line between real and fake is completely blurred.
So is it a bad thing?
Well, of course, it depends, doesn't it? In the right hands, it is incredibly useful, time-saving, informative, but it's also dangerous in the wrong hands.